5/16 off here. We got a couple of quick disconnects, one here, there's one in the back here, and we've got one over here, two over here actually. So flip these up. Alright, let me get this air box off. Then we got some 13mm bolts that holds the bottom of it down. We'll get that off. Cover loose. Let's get this off. Air filter out. And we've got, looks like a 13 right down in here.
All right, what size socket we got on there, Steve?
13.
13?
Pull the tire off.
It's a 19 mil. All right, so now what we're gonna do is gonna remove the splash shield. There's a nut up here that we need to get at to hold, to take that other bolt off the air filter box assembly.
And there's another one hidden over here.
There's another one hidden over there.
Yeah, so we'll get these button plugs out. We'll pull the fender, this plastic skirt back with a bungee cord.
Cool. Steve has a fancy tool to remove these things, but you can do it with, you know, a screwdriver or a trim piece remover if you have one.
This has like a button in the middle you push in.
Yeah.
You get this one to come out. Fender's rotted up here, so. And there's.
This is a New England Jeep.
That was off.
There you go.
Okay, so there's one bolt for the air cleaner, and here's the other one. Oh, this one is right here.
Yeah, there's three of
And
them.
it looks like there's something here too, so.
So what I'm gonna do is gonna load the Jeep down. I'm gonna throw a wrench on those three bolts right there, and Steve's gonna grab it from the top side, and we're gonna get these out and pull the airbox assembly out. What you got there for a wrench, Steve?
13mm.
13 mil. All right,
Yeah.
fits like a glove.
Okay, all right.
All right, we took those three bolts out, so now we can lift the airbox assembly out of there.
We use the wrench to come down underneath this one. We'll show you. And Tony got the ratchet on the bottom, so you can pull the airbox out with this little cover here. It's just
It's like a dog leg coming off it.
plus like holes, you know.
There you go.
This off the corner here.
Yeah.
And it's just- yeah, so it's got to come in like this and then twist in place when we put the airbox back in.
So we're gonna worm this airbox tube in.
Yeah. There's actually a little button plug down there.
Is there?
A slot that it slides into, so.
So we gotta put this airbox assembly back in. And there's three bolts, 1, 2, I think the third one's over there that locks in with nuts underneath the wheel house.
There's that broken rubber that we were talking about.
Oh, yeah?
Nothing left to it, and we ain't worrying about it, so. Alright, so the airbox goes in this way. Okay, so let's line up these holes.
Yep.
Joy! So we're gonna tighten the nuts from the top and just hold these from the,
The bottom.
yeah, from the, hold these from the top and we'll tighten them from the bottom.
So what we're doing now is we're catching the nuts from the bottom. There's three of them, and we're gonna tighten them from down here. There's the light. And we're gonna zap these back in, and we'll get back to you in a second. Okay.
So we get the box all nice and tight, and drop our air filter back in it, cover, slip this on, It was running pretty loud when we ran it because we didn't have the airbox cover on it. And it's just got these little clips that you slide over and you clasp.
Yep.
There's 4 of them. This one sucks. It's, of course, it's, you know, right where the windshield washer jug is.
There's not a whole lot of room to work on this thing.
You'd be surprised. I know. There's one underneath here.
Some stuff's easy, but other stuff's a pain. The spark plugs are easy.
So this one didn't catch.
No?
I gotta get. All right, there it is. Huh?
There it is.
There it is.
There you go.
Man. Yeah, that one was tough to catch. Okay, tighten that clamp up.
That's about it, guys.